Bread dinner recipes. 1. Garlic herb, French bread, pizza. Ingredients: 1 loaf French bread, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp dried oregano, 1 tsp dried basil, a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs such as parsley or basil. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F 190 C. 2. Slice the French bread in half lengthwise and place on a baking sheet. 3. Spread the marinara sauce over the bread, leaving a small border around the edges. 4. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. 5. In a small bowl, mix together the garlic powder, dried oregano, and dried basil. Sprinkle this mixture over the cheese. 6. Top with grated Parmesan cheese and chopped fresh herbs. 7. Bake in the oven for 10–12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 8. Slice and serve hot as a delicious bread dinner. 2. Cheesy garlic bread casserole. Ingredients: 1 loaf French bread, a 1/2 cup butter, melted, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tsp dried parsley, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F 190 C. 2. Slice the French bread into cubes and place in a large mixing bowl. 3. In a small bowl, mix together the melted butter and minced garlic. 4. Pour the butter mixture over the bread cubes and toss until evenly coated. 5. Add the shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese to the bowl and toss again. 6. Transfer the bread mixture to a greased casserole dish. 7. Sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese, dried parsley, salt, and pepper over the top. 8. Bake in the oven for 20–25 minutes, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 9. Serve hot as a delicious and cheesy bread dinner. 3. Chicken and broccoli stuffed bread. Ingredients: 1 loaf Italian bread, 1 cup cooked and shredded chicken, 1 cup cooked and chopped broccoli, a 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tsp dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F 190 C. 2. Cut the top off the Italian bread and hollow out the center, leaving about 1 inch of bread around the edges. 3. In a mixing bowl, combine the shredded chicken, chopped broccoli, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, minced garlic, dried basil, salt, and pepper. 4. Spoon the mixture into the hollowed out bread loaf. 5. Place the bread on a baking sheet and bake in the oven for 15–20 minutes, or until the filling is heated through and the cheese is melted. 6. Slice and serve as a delicious and filling bread dinner. 4. Spinach and feta stuffed bread. Ingredients: 1 loaf French bread, 2 cups fresh spinach, chopped, a 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic, minced, a 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper to taste.